you ready to go on the record with Mr. Ferguson's case?
I believe so, Your Honor.
All right, so we're on the record in file 23-21319-FH, People versus Keegan, Preston, Ferguson. We are here today for a pretrial conference in this case, and we are proceeding today by video conference. First, let me ask the attorneys to place their appearances on the record, beginning with Mr. Papin.
Craig Papin for the people, Your Honor.
Rhonda, do it for Mr. Ferguson, Your Honor. Your Honor, I believe at this time, Mr. Ferguson, you made a payment last month, correct?
Yes, I did.
And when are you going to make your next payment?
By the end of this month.
Okay. What I would ask, Your Honor, is a pretrial the first part of September, and maybe we can talk about some sort of resolution in this matter.
Mr. Papin?
Your Honor, I'd leave the adjournment in the discretion of the court. I would have Ms. Letter would double check with the front of the court. The last payment that I show is where appears to be bond released back in March. And that's the last payment that I show as of August 4th is the date of my report.
Mr. Ferguson, when
Yes.
and where did you make that payment?
Online on the website, and it was through my mom's card, so it would probably show up as Angie Ferguson.
What date was that done?
I apologize. My daughter was coming downstairs. What was that?
What date was that done?
I don't know the specific date. I can find out.
Well, we're going to need proof of that, Your Honor.
Okay.
I would suggest a pretrial or a pretrial early September, and hopefully we can
All right,
get
so what I'm going to do is set it for September 13th at 8:15 a.m. So we need at that point to have confirmation of the payment Mr. Ferguson has said he has made recently, and confirmation of the payment that he said he is going to make at that time. If we don't have that, then I'm likely to just set it for trial and get the case moving.
and that was September 13th, Your Honor.
Correct.
I will do the stip in order, Your Honor.
Thank you. So Mr. Ferguson, September 13th at 8:15 a.m. You'll use all the same Zoom information that you used today. And again, we need to have confirmation or some evidence that those payments have been made.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Papin.
Thank you, Ms. Underwood.
Okay. So Ms. Underwood, I just emailed the jail for Derek King, so hopefully we'll have him shortly.
Thank you.
And there he is. Do you need a breakout session with Mr. King?
Hang on, Your Honor. Just a brief one, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, Ms. King, I didn't, did you not make it to the breakout session with Ms. Underwood?
I don't see anything to say.
Okay, sorry, 1 second. Okay, we are on the record in file 23-21419-FH, People versus Derek Eugene King. We are here today for a pretrial conference. In this case, we're proceeding by video conference. First, let me have the attorneys place their appearance on the record, beginning with Mr. Van.
Alex Bayoneto for the people.
Rhonda Underwood for Mr. King this morning, Your Honor.
And where are we with Mr. King's case today?
Your Honor, I am in discussions with Mr. Fleming about amending the offer or making an offer in this case, Your Honor. So what I would ask is for a real quick pretrial, maybe end of this month or beginning of next month.
Do September 6th, 8:15.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, anything else we need to address today?
No, Your Honor, not at this time.
No, Your Honor, thank
All
you.
right. Mr. King, you can let the officer that's with you know that you're done with court for today.
And I will prepare the stipend order on that, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. All right, so just sent an email asking for Patrick Skinner. We also had a PPO on Lambert versus Lambert up for today. Ms. Underwood, do you know?
I know nothing about that, Your Honor.
Okay, so it looks like we had this set for a trial back on July 17th, and Mr. Lambert did not appear at that time, so we adjourned it to today to give him one more chance at that. So why don't we go on the record with the Lambert case. All right, we are on the record in file 23-50729-PP, Denise Lynn Lambert versus Randall Allen Lambert. We are here today for a pretrial on alleged violation of personal protection order. We are proceeding today by video conference. Ms. Underwood, you have been appointed on this case and appeared back on July 18th. So do you want to place your appearance on the record?
Rhonda Underwood for Mr. Lambert, Your Honor.
And I'm sorry, Mr. Bayoneto, do you want to place your appearance on the record?
Alex Bayoneto for the people.
All right. The record should reflect this was set for a hearing this morning at 8:15 a.m. You have a proof of service in the file indicating that notice was mailed to Mr. Lambert at his last known address. We had previously in this case had a trial scheduled for July 18th, 2023. Mr. Lambert did not appear at that trial, and the court adjourned it to today to give Mr. Lambert an opportunity to appear. He has not done so. It's now 10:02 a.m. Mr. Lambert's not appeared here today, either by Zoom or in person. Point, I'm going to find that he's failed to appear. I'm going to issue a bench warrant for his arrest. I'm going to set bond on the bench warrant in the amount of $10,000 cash or surety.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Stand solid as long as he looks Zachary Printer. All right, Ms. Underwood, you need a breakout session with Mr. Skinner.
No, I don't believe so, Your Honor.
All right, we are on the record in file 21-4, I'm sorry, 21-20472-FH and 21-20, no, sorry, both 20472. We are here today for a pretrial on alleged violation of probation. We are proceeding today by video conference. First, let me have the attorneys place their appearance on the record, beginning with Mr.
Rhonda Underwood for, oh, sorry.
Alex Baynetto for the people.
Rhonda Underwood for Mr. Skinner, Your Honor. Your Honor, can I just have a brief breakout with Mr. Skinner? I apologize. I had one question for him.
Yeah, 1 second. All right, we have Ms. Underwood and Mr. Skinner back from breakout session. Ms. Underwood, where do we stand?
Judge, we have another attorney.
Mr. Skinner, I can't.
I can't communicate with this attorney. She does not listen to anything I have to say. And I've been trying to, I've tried and I've tried and I've tried and I just can't, Mr. Oldsaver. She told me last week that I'd be pleading to something. When I got downstairs, there's something totally different than what she told me. And then she'd done walked out the courtroom before the judge was even done talking to her.
All right,
I
Mr.
just can't. I feel like there's no communication. I just can't, Your Honor. I'm sorry. I've been trying to talk to my probation officer. I told her I want to talk to my probation officer. I have yet to see even speak to Mr. Stevenson. She got the probation officer's name wrong when she was just talking to me. She said, Miss Holly. I got Mike Stevenson. She does not know anything about my case. She's not paying attention to what I've got to say, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Skinner, so what I have the ability to appoint the public defender's office to represent you. I don't have the ability to decide who within the public defender's office represents you. If you believe that, well, I guess Ms. Underwood, how do you want to do this? Do you want to explore whether he can have another attorney within the public defender's office assigned to him, or what do you want to do?
Your Honor, I will have to confer with my bosses and see if we can accommodate Mr. Skinner.
I had Michael Margosian as my attorney with the original charges that I'm on probation for. And he's familiar with my case. He's familiar with me. You know, I would appreciate if I could have him because, you know, he represented me the whole time, you know, and I've done the right thing. I think I turned myself in on a charge that was 6 years old. I got locked up down in Georgia, came back and turned myself in. You know what I mean? And I just feel like she is not listening to me. You know, she's not listening to.
Okay, all right. I understand and I get that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set this over 1 week to give Ms. Underwood an opportunity to discuss the situation and see if the public defender's office is going to appoint someone else to represent you other than her. If not, and you believe that her performance as your attorney has been insufficient, then I am required to conduct a hearing on that and you know, make a decision after I've had an opportunity to have a hearing on it. So we'll set it over for 1 week. In the meantime, if the public defender's office decides that they're just going to do it anyway, then that will happen. If not, then we're going to have, we'll have to have a hearing on the issue. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right. Ms. Underwood, is there anything else we need to address with respect to Mr. Skinner's case today?
Nothing else, Your Honor.
So we had been trying to, I think, coordinate this with, does he have new charges that are coming upstairs?
No, Your Honor. Mr. Skinner entered a plea last week.
All right, so I'll set this for next week. That's August 16th at 8:15 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your
All
Honor.
right, Mr. Skinner, you can let the officer that's with you know that you're done with court for today.
Thank you.
You call for Randy Torres.
Waiting for you to raise the room, Judge, please. Thank you.
You have Mr. Solomon.
They said he was downstairs. they were gonna try to text him and get it. Do you have Mr. Krieger?
Can I get I1? Randy, you want to see her? Ms. Underwood, you need a breakout session with Mr. Torres.
I don't believe so, Your Honor.
We are on the record then in file 22-20819-FH and 22-20820-FH versus Randy Torres. We're here for a pretrial hearing on alleged probation violation in each of the files. We are proceeding today by video conference. Ms. Underwood, do you want to place your appearance on the record?
Rhonda Underwood for Mr. Torres in this matter, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, and Ms. Underwood, I think we adjourned this over to today because you had some concerns Mr. Torres might have new charges coming. Where do we stand with this case?
I believe there are new charges coming, Your Honor. I don't know that they've arrived yet, but I talked to the probation department yesterday and they seemed pretty confident that there were new charges coming. So I would ask for a week's adjournment in this matter, Your Honor.
Okay. I will adjourn this then to August 16th at 8:15 a.m. Is there anything else that we need to address today? I'm sorry, Ms. Underwood, if you responded, I didn't hear it. Is there anything else we need to address today?
I don't believe so, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Torres, you can let the officer that's with you know that you're done with court for today then. That's everything that I had with you.
I
Ms.
think it
Underwood.
is, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Don't know.
Your criminal docket's done, isn't it?
We have one more. It is Zachary Cranker.
Oh, okay.
We're waiting for Mr. Sala.
I see it. Okay.
Remember, did we address Mr. Gordon's contempt as part of his plea agreement? So do I add that to the docket to make sure we do that?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Okay, Ms. Schaefer, what case are you here for?
Do I read the number?
The name of the case.
Oh, it's Ryan Schaefer, plaintiff, for Mardell Schaefer, defendant.
Give me the case number.
The file number,
Yes.
1743763 DM.
Second.
Judge, that is a Judge Anzalone case.
All right, so you logged into the wrong courtroom. If you give me just a moment, I will give you the meeting ID for the correct courtroom.
Sorry, that's the meeting ID I had.
Okay, so the one that you want is 993-558-3219.
Okay. Thank you.
Yep, thank you.